DJI has just knocked at the door with a brand new drone lineup, and this time they came up with a cinewhoop style drone which they named DJI Avata, and boy is it something special. Plus, it's unlike any other drone that DJI has ever made. The drone is promised to bring up new experience for FPV flyers. Nevertheless, just a few months back, DJI released its new mini drone, the DJI Mini 3 Pro. It packs the performance of larger drones into a compact form factor. With both drones having almost similar price tags but different perspectives, the question is, should you get an FPV or get a conventional drone instead? Let's find out. Instead of having folding arms like the DJI Mini 3 Pro, the DJI Avata is outfitted with a full propeller guard. Besides, its integrated feet keeps these propellers out of trouble from the surface. On top of that, the Avata boasts a battery cage which allows it to slide and lock the battery. Not only that, this cage can save the battery from unexpected crashes. Furthermore, both drones are compact and lightweight, but the Mini 3 Pro is way more lightweight than the last Avata. To sum it up, the Avata weighs 410 grams, whereas the Mini 3 Pro weighs only 249 grams, meaning you won't be able to fly the latest drone without FAA registration. Again, instead of having 3-axis gimbal like Mini 3 Pro, the Avata has a single-axis gimbal, so it's more likely that you have to fly this drone forward like a plane. Let's talk about the camera. In terms of Avata, you can see things from the sky through its 1x1.7-inch CMOS sensor, whereas the Mini 3 Pro has a 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor. As you can see, the Mini 3 Pro has a larger sensor which can help you to capture more detail in low-light conditions. However, both drones come with a 48-megapixel camera that can shoot 4K videos at 60 FPS. And for slow-motion videos, both drones support up to 120 FPS, but the DJI Avata can record it at 2.7K resolution, which the Mini 3 Pro cannot. To capture more view of your adventure, the Avata supports 155-degree FOV and the Mini 3 Pro comes with 82.1-degree FOV. It seems like a win for the DJI Avata. Coming to the performance and features, the only sensor you get is a pair of downward binocular vision and TOF sensors. With these sensors, the Avata does an amazing job maintaining low altitude or indoor flight. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 3 Pro has tridirectional obstacle avoidance, which can give you complete peace of mind. For stability, the DJI Avata features Rocksteady 2.0 and Horizon Steady. But the Mini 3 Pro has some creative features that the Avata lacks, which are Active Track 4.0, APAS 4.0, Master Shots, Zoom Mode, and Hyperlapse. Now when it comes to transmission, the Avata supports a maximum video transmission range of up to 10 km with latency as low as 30 ms, whereas the Mini 3 Pro supports up to 12 km. Moreover, if Avata makes contact with an object, it bounces back and maintains its altitude, which lets you continue flying without crashing it. Plus, the turtle mode launches back into action if your Avata falls on its back. Pretty cool, right? Not only that, it even comes with an emergency brake feature. With a single tap of a button, you can instantly halt to a stop and hover in place. However, there is a huge difference in the battery life between these two drones. The Avata can deliver up to 18 minutes of flight time, whereas the Mini 3 Pro can let you fly for up to 34 minutes. Here, you can see that you'll get almost 2 times more battery life in the Mini 3 Pro to explore further. Anyway, both drones support swappable batteries to extend the flight time without making you wait for another day. And finally, let's talk about the price. The Avata comes at $629, whereas the Mini 3 Pro costs $669. However, if you want accessories to use with them, you have to pay a bit more. In short, both drones look pretty amazing. Regarding the design, they're not even close. Plus, both drones have marvelous stability. However, if you want a racing drone that's easy to fly, you can go for the DJI Avata. But if you want a drone that's small, agile, and combines with an excellent camera and battery life, you should definitely go for the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So, what do you think? Which one is worth it considering their price tag? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.